Verse 41. A good family person is the one who supports all three relationships, parents, wife, and children, in a balanced and righteous manner. Verse 42. A good family person also extends support to saints, poor, and needy. Verse 43. Teachers, God, guests, relatives, and oneself. It is important to nurture all these five in addition to the family. Verse 44. One who earns well but avoids the blame of hoarding wealth by philanthropy will lead a complete life with no complaints. Verse 45. If love and virtue pervade the family life, they become the characteristic and fruit of the family life. Verse 46. The only way to live is to live righteously. If you set aside virtues, what more is there to gain? Verse 47. One who leads a normal and intimate family life is far ahead of those who seek other priorities. Verse 48. If one lives by the right virtues and assists others to do the same, such a family life is better than the penance of saints. Verse 49. True virtue is to lead a harmonious family life. It is even better if it is beyond others' blame. Verse 50. One who lives worldly life the way it ought to be lived will be treated on par with gods inhabiting the heavens.